Hello guys, today I'm going to show you my recipe for sweet potato waffles. These do take a bit of work to make, but the reason I make them again and again is that I make a huge big batch. If I know I'm going to be eating them in the next few days, I keep them in the fridge. If not, I put them in the freezer and then I pop them in the toaster and I have breakfast in minutes. I'll get underway now with these waffles and show you how I make them. We'll start off here. I have plain flour. Just tip that into a large bowl. Next, I want 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt, 2 teaspoons of baking powder, and then I want 1 teaspoon of ground cinnamon. Just give that a little mix together. You can set these aside now while I get it on with the rest. I have 4 eggs which I need to separate, and by that I just mean whites in one bowl and the yolks in another. And I'll use the bowl I used for my flour, save on the washing up. When I first started making waffles, it was always plain waffles I made, but I think I've told you this before, but I always cook sweet potatoes and have a few of them in the fridge all mashed up, because I use these often for the basis for cakes and other good things. So I had some in that needed using up and I thought I'll make waffles. Out of the way for a moment. I first want to whip up the egg whites. It's important to start with the egg whites because if you do the yolks and then you introduce any of that fat from the yolks into the whites, they'll not whip up properly. You can also, if you want, you could use an electric mixer for this to make things easy, but first thing in the morning I cannot be dealing with that noise. And a break is needed, but we're almost there. That's it. Whites are whisked to stiff peaks, and next I just want to get the yolks, give them a quick mix, and I want to add to them 2 tablespoons of castor sugar. I have 500 mils of milk, and I also want 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. This helps them crisp up and so pour the yolk and milk mixture into the dry ingredients. Give them a bit of a whisk about. Just till all the lumps are gone. I have 400 grams here of sweet potato. Just add that in. Love the colour of this. Orange is my favourite colour at the moment. So that's folded in. So now I'm going to add half of my egg whites. And just fold them in. This isn't very difficult. No need to be too gentle here. These make them incredibly light. And the remaining. And as soon as there's no traces of white left, you're ready to go. And that's it, that's the batter ready. Next, I'm going to heat my waffle iron. Depending on the type of waffle iron you have, you may need to oil it. I think it's just better to, just in case. Just grab myself a cup measure. I find this perfect. One large cup filled to the brim is the perfect amount. Place my lid on. And squodge it closed. Give it a few minutes on the first side before you turn it over, or however your waffle iron works. Maybe you're using electric and it cooks both sides at the same time. I'm ready to flip. Give it a couple more minutes now just on the other side. My waffles, I think, have had enough time. Just check on them. Perfect. Just what I wanted to see. Of course, with waffles, I need berries. Use whatever berries you like. I like to have a healthy helping of strawberries. And of course, gotta have syrup. So once I've had my breakfast, I'll get on with cooking the rest of the waffles. But right now, I'm going to enjoy these. They're so good and so light. If you like this recipe, please give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, don't forget to leave a comment too, and thanks for watching.